All right, Beba. So, we left off on, I think it was this one. So, basically, that's the gist of it. When you log on to Weebly, there's training there. If you wanna look into more training under the Weebly website, I think they have um. Come on, dude. Que la chingada. I don't know. I may have too many windows open. Close that one. Close that one. Close that one. Close that one. Okay. This is the other thing I'm going to show you. Um, okay, so this company charges $2.99 per site. Okay, this is the company that I joined. This is where I learned all this stuff. They have a training on how to do this business from like scratch. Start here, the foundation, how to optimize, how to do GMBs. Anyway, everything that I do is here. Now they have this service. They charge $2.99. They do 10 pages. This is per single site. 10 pages. The homepage 1,000 words. They do the other pages 250, and then 6 main service with 500 words. They do websites will be built out from head to toe with content page, titles, content forms, and pictures all in place, ready to be showcased. Unique pictures, and it takes them 3 to 4 weeks. So anyway, that's what they charge me if I want them to do 10 pages. Now, I think where are you? What happened to my my Microsoft Word? Shit, I lost it. Did I lose it? Okay, so I found the info. So here it is. So basically, my proposal is that I'll pay you $200 per site. 200, 200, 200. Now, you got to do pictures. You got to do everything that they do. Okay, I'm only obviously. I mean, these guys they know what they're doing, and I'm sure you have an idea, and but the issue is obviously that they have a lot of experience, and I don't mind having you do it and learning. And the big thing is this: look at 10 pages of authoritative content. So the content that you write needs to have authority. And what I mean by that is that when you do the research and when you start publishing the websites, Camarillo Plumbing, pool cleaning, you gotta have the content flow, and it has gotta make sense. It's gotta have proper grammar, and it's gotta just flow right. Okay, so that's what they mean by authoritative content. Okay, and these guys do that all day long, and so they're pros at it. And then the reason that I'm only taking $99 off is because even though you're not doing 10 pages, I'm having you do the YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Instagram page as part of the SEO. So I think it's fair. I mean, as you get really good at it and you become it's easier for you. It'll be easier for you the more you do. You can do 10 pages. This is ideally what you want to do, because this helps rank. Some of the comments these people do, like this guy, because of the content of the website, he was able to rank. These are just comments that people have that as a result of the website, they were able to rank their GMB. Now, we talked about GMBs, so if you go Camarillo full service, so, here I am, right? I'm third. Okay, this is my website here. Right, boom, so that's here. Okay, and the reason that it ranks up high is because obviously the content. So the GMB, this is the GMB. This is the GMB right here. Google my business. This is number 1, number 2, number 3. So anyway, that's the idea, that you wanna help me with the content you write. You wanna help me show up to the top of searches, and the content drives the GMB, drives these things right here. Okay, whatever you write on the website has a lot of influence on how we rank. And so if you wanted to get photos, there's a couple of tools. Let me see here. So anyway, this is where login, build out. So this is like, he teaches you how to build out the website using snaps. This is the snaps builder. He owns this one. He created his own. But he taught me Weebly when he started, but now Dan owns Snaps, so he deleted all the Weebly training and he replaced it with the Snaps. Snaps is kind of cool, but let me see. So this is the images. You can get free images. Okay. Aslink, Pixababy, Pexels. So here's all of these are all for free photos. You can pause this and write them down. I mean, if you want access to the training, this is the training to use snaps. I built one site on here already. I'm building this one, Cali to Costa, right here with these guys, but I already built one. Where the fuck is it? I'm not familiar with this platform, but this is a listing. I'm gonna put listings here and list homes for sale. Try to move people back to from Cali to Costa. Let me see, is this it right here? Yeah, this is it. I built this one. This is published. I don't know if I showed it to you or not. But it has a nice feeling to it, it feels like a WordPress website. I built this one a few months ago, maybe a year ago. I think a year ago. So they have nice templates. You know, they got different templates for different different categories. So the nice thing about this is that their templates are already pre-built. Let me see, where are they? Shit. I think I have to do a new one. Let me see, create new website. Yeah, you see. So if you want a lead generation website, you can do, they already have them already pre-done, which is kind of cool. They have the home decor, therapist, law firm, carpenter, financial, because the guy that taught me is building this. So I when I did the Costa to Cali to Costa, I did this one for real estate because it already has the layout. Here's a plumber one, limo. As you can see, there's a bunch. You can kind of, if you want to explore it, you go to apps, snaps that AI, and check them out. Check out the create your own account and then just do some training. If you want to do the training, this is the training to how to build the Snaps website. It goes what Snaps, view your site in the dashboard, lay out the Snaps editor. I mean, just 10 minutes, 12 minutes, another 15 minutes, preparing your build out, selecting the template, save time, and buy photos at canva.com. More free photo websites, I think. Save time, buy photos at canva.com. Homepage build out, laying out your content fast, adding a video to your header, working with images. So really, he's training us on how to use Snaps. All these videos on how to do Snaps. So maybe you want to do Snaps. I don't know. I mean, the cost to publish these here, it's $100, and I showed you in a previous video that it's half with Weebly, but these don't have any ads. They don't have any ads going. So anyway, keyword strategies, how to use keywords on your when you're building out these websites. More keyword strategies, a word about keyword search, how social articles writing. This is if you want to have somebody do the 100 words. This is what they charge for somebody to type 100 words, but they just type the words, blah blah blah. So I mean, this guy, this is the program I bought. I paid 10 grand for this program. More keyword research. This is more on Snaps. I haven't done any training on Snaps. I just been sticking to Weebly. But maybe I need to switch over. I don't know. So anyway, this is all on how to build a website on Snaps, content, how to lay it out and everything. So if you want to do that, obviously maybe you do want to do it, or if you want to use Weebly, whatever. And then how to optimize, and then GMB multiple. So this is all the training I said all the training that I bought. So what all this means, but you don't want to get into that. You just want to learn how to build a website that has good content that can help my GMB rank. That's kind of the bottom line. All right, let me know what you think, and I think you get the gist of it. If you have any questions, let me know. All right, dude.